Sitting here wasted and wounded at this old piano, trying hard to capture the moment. This morning I don't know, 'cause a bottle of vodka still lodged in my head, and some blonde gave me nightmares. Think that she's still in my bed as I dream about movies they won't make of me when I'm dead. With an ironclad fist, I wake up, a French kiss the morning, while some marching band keeps its own beat in my head while we're talking about all of the things that I long to believe about love and truth, what you mean to me. And the truth is, baby, you're all that I need. I wanna lay you down in a bed of roses for tonight. I sleep on a bed of nails. Oh, I wanna be just as close as the Holy Ghost is. Lay you down on a bed of roses. Well, I'm so far away, step that I take's on my way home. A king's ransom and dimes give each night to see through this payphone. Still I run out of time, or it's hard to get through to the bird on the wire flies me back to you. I just close my eyes and whisper, baby, blind love is true. I wanna lay you down in a bed of roses for tonight. I sleep on a bed of nails. Oh, I wanna be just as close as the Holy Ghost is. Lay you down on a bed of roses. Well, this hotel bar's hangover, whiskey's gone dry, the barkeeper's wig's crooked, and she's giving me the eye. Well, I might have said yeah, but I laughed so hard I think I died. Ooh, yeah. Now as you close your eyes, know I'll be thinking about you, while my mistress, she calls me to stand in her spotlight again. Tonight I won't be alone, to know that don't mean I'm not lonely.